Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. To achieve big growth, you must take risks. Without taking risks, opportunities are lost. Staying in a safe place does not bring big achievements. Taking risks brings new experiences and skills. Fear of failure should never stop you from taking risks. Courageous actions lead you to growth. Small risks can lead to big changes. Risks means facing the unknown. Those who take risks discover new opportunities. So, if you want to grow big, learn to take risks. So, that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.